Welcome to Off-Grid Victory. So welcome to my messy container built out and all the drywall that's kind of strewn all over the place. But I do want to talk about drywall today just because I think this tip might help some folks and maybe get them to save some money. So anyway, as you can see, I've cut out a lot of drywall, and some of this drywall is pretty yucky. As you can see, this actually came from a damaged piece that I was able to take off. And that's what we want to talk about today. Is normally these sheets run about $11 or so for 4x8, and so this particular sheet, let's see here, I'm going to bring you over to how much it cost. There you go. That particular sheet was $2. So the edge was bad, and a corner was bad over there on that side, but as you can see, I cut them out. That's what I needed to use anyway. And I was able to get about 8 pieces of this sheet. So at $11, that would have been $88 versus I got 8 of these for $2, so 16. So quite a bit of savings, and I am going to be using probably about good 80 to 90% of the sheetrock. Like I said, the corners were damaged, some of the sides were damaged, but you know, nothing that tape, a little bit of cutting and whatnot will take care of. Now I did get a lot more sheets on top of this, but I wanted to say, look, don't be afraid to get some damaged pieces of drywall, cut it out and use it. And definitely don't be afraid to ask. I mean, if you see damaged goods at the store, whether it be your Lowe's or Home Depot's or whatever, yeah, don't be afraid to ask, because if you don't ask, you don't get. And that's very scriptural as well. Anyway, just a tip. Alrighty, shalom.